Welcome to another video. So today we have a very typical type of an exponent. Given that 27 raised to x multiplied by 9 raised to x is equals to 54. Do you know we can find the actual value of x easily and verify it? So if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, watch up to the end, turn a notification on, and straight away onto the solution. And before we do the solution, are you able to predict in seconds what the actual value of x could be? Take your time. Okay, for that 1 second, let's start by testing what our actual value of x could be. Let's say if x is 0, then this means 27 raised to 0 multiplied by 9 raised to 0. Of course, 27 raised to 0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1, of course, should be 1. So x can never be 0. When x is, let's go to a positive number 1, then 27 raised to 1 multiplied by 9 raised to power 1, that of course will be 27 times 9. Of course, the number is bigger than 54. It is bigger than 54. 243 is more than 54. So how exactly do we approach the value of x? In our step 1, I'm going to apply the rules or the laws of exponent. And before I apply that, I need to rewrite 27 in terms of its simplest base, that is 3 to the power 3. And 9, we know that it is 3 to the power 2. Then replacing that, I'm going to have 3 to the power 3. Outside, I'm going to have x multiplied by 3 to the power 2 to represent 9. Outside, I'm going to have x should give me 54. At this stage, I can decide to open the bracket using x, and I'm going to have 3 to the power 3x multiplied by 3 to the power 2x should give me 54. Next, another law of exponent. If you have a raised to n multiplied by a raised to m, since the bases are the same, this is exactly same as doing a and adding the powers. So applying that here, have 3 into 3x plus 2x, and since the base is the same, I should end up getting 54. So which can be simplified as 3 raised to power 5x is equals to 54. So at this stage, for me to eliminate the power, since it is unknown, I'm going to introduce the logs on both sides so that I have 3 to the power 5x should be equals to the log of 54. And this 5x can come this side as 5x to the log 3 should be equals to the log of 54. So I'm going to divide all through by log 3 so that I have on this other side divide by log 3, and this other side I'm going to have log 54. So that dividing it by the log 3, so next step I'm going to find the factors of 54, and I know that 54 is the same as taking 3 by 3, which is 27 multiplied by 2, and this is the same as taking 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 2. So I have 5x is equals to the logs of 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 divided by the log of 3. So guys, up to this age, I'm pretty sure you've subscribed, you've shared this video, and you've turned your notification on. I'm gonna expand this so that I have 5x is equals to the log of 3 to the power 3 plus the log of 2. Then I'm going to divide all through by the log 3 by the log 3. This 3 can come this side, so that 5x is equals to 3 to the log 3 divided by log 3, of course, plus log 2 divided by log 3. And it is easy to see that log 3 and log 3 can cancel, so that I have 5x is equals to, this remains 3, of course, plus, you're going to recall that wherever you have the log of a divided by log b, then this is the same as writing log a to the base b. That means this can be written as log 2 to the base 3. It looks nice. So for me to find the actual value of x that is required, I'm going to divide all through by 5, so that I'm going to have something like that. So x as the final value becomes 3 over 5 plus 1 over 5 to the log 2 base 3, which is actually the required solution for x. And this is approximately equals to, from my scientific calculator, is equals to 0.7 0.726 0.726. Remember, we predicted that x is in the range between 0 and 1. It cannot be 0, since when x was 0, the output was 1, and when x was 1, the output was 243. So that means our value is in that range. From the calculation, this is what we have: 0.726, or 3 over 5 plus a fifth to the log 2 base 3. So guys, up to that stage, we're gonna go ahead and verify. And on my verification, I'm gonna start from 3 to the power 5x is equals to 54. So wherever we have x, I'm gonna substitute that. So 3 raised to power 5 in bracket 3 over 5 plus 1 over 5 to the log 2 base 3 should give me 54. Opening this bracket using power 5, and the denominators are 5, all it's gonna cancel, and I'm gonna remain with 3 to the power 3 plus the log 2 base 3 Since this and this has cancelled, by opening the bracket, should give me 54. Pre-multiplying this, I'm going to have 3 power 3 multiplied by the 3 power the log of 2 base 3. Since the powers are added, the base should be multiplied like this. So this is 27. At this stage, you're able to see that the base is 3 and the base is 3 on this other end. So this and this is going to cancel and I'll remain with 2. And of course, 27 times 2 is 54. Is the same as 54 on the other side. And hence verified. So thank you for watching up to this end. Hope you have subscribed. Kindly leave there a comment. You can like, you can share. And this, what we are having, we want to find the value of x for 27 raised to x plus multiply by 9 raised to x should give us 54. I've taken you through step by step. And this was our value, which was approximately equals to 0.726, and you've gone through to verify. So until we meet again in the next video, goodbye for now.